Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So basically in this video we will see the difference between a release and tag. So basically we found same thing in a release. Even if we click on tags we will also find same thing, but different it is that here in release we can see for example the other option for tags, but if we click on tags we see that here there is some other option. For example here create release. Let's click on create release. But first, what is create release? Create release, it's like for to give more information about this tag, or about why you choosing this tag and to commit in this tag. So here it gives us the name of the tag. We can change it if you want. In here give it for example title. Let's make it unstable code, and here's some description. Let's just make code keep going on update, or code need to be updated. And here in description we can also use markdown. For example, let's make a title with JS, and let's just make it unstable code, unstable code as title. So this it's like h1 in HTML. If you want to do for example h2, we will need to use another days tag. So that is for title. Let's keep it that way. And here we can see the preview of that. We just see the h1 or the title, and then some just paragraph or some writing. Let's go in here, let's check this. This is a pre-release, and here we have two options: save draft and publish release. Save draft, it will not be shown to the public, and of course publish, it will show, or it will be everybody can see it. Save draft, if you want to save it, then update it after, and after that publish it. So if you want to do that, click on save draft. So let's click on publish. And now it's more detailed, or it's more obvious to the, for example, to other developer. Here which code, here which paragraph, or we can write the whole thing that we did, so we express ourselves of what we did in this description. Here is we can find code source, we can download it, and here we found that it's pre-release. If for example in description we forget for example to put something or to add something new, we can always go to edit release, click on it, and then so let's just click on it, and let's edit for example each paragraph. Here for example let's make a list, it was space, and then let's use add line of code in index, then again for example push index.html, and the other things that we did for example in this unstable or in this commit. Let's click on update, and we see that those are a list of things that we do, as we see here. And here we can see the ID that this tag or this release is associated with. So now we have this release associated with this tag and unstable, and also associated with this tag, and also with this ID or with this commit ID. Okay, so now this is all for this video.